Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how we can configure Yandex search server with your Wix hosted website. So I have a website called as moneyearners.org which is hosted on the Wix platform, and today I want to integrate Yandex Webmaster with my Wix server. So first of all, go for marketing and SEO marketing integrations, and you can click on Yandex Metrica where you're trying to track your visitor activity on this server. Yandex is basically a Russian search engine, so it is useful because you can get a different audience through Yandex search engine, and your advertisement also features in a different way on Yandex. So normally SEO people do configure Yandex, and that is why Wix also provides a Yandex Metrica. So I'm going ahead and connecting. So before I have Yandex Metrica, I need to configure the Yandex Webmaster. For that, I've opened Yandex Webmaster and I'm trying to log in with my Google Mail ID, which is used for hosting this website. And once I accept it, so as you can see here, it took some time, so I paused the site. When your site is new or Yandex Webmaster is new, you can see that there's no site added. So I will go ahead and add the site which I want to configure. So the site that I am catering to is moneyearners.org. So I will just copy that, go to this and paste it, go to the add. So with this, what I'm doing is I'm trying to tell the search engine that it needs to check for the analytics of moneyearners.org. So again, just like Google Analytics or Google Search Console, you have three kinds of verification that you can perform on your Wix server. So normally Wix does not let you upload any file, but meta tag and DNS record is allowed. The safest way to do the verification is using meta tag. So I will try using the meta tag first. So I'll have to copy this, go to your settings on the Wix website hosting server. So once I go to the settings, you can go for the custom code. And go to the add custom code, paste the snippet, type it as Yandex and leave the rest as it is, and I need to place this on the head section, so I'll just go ahead and apply. So as you can see, the Yandex configuration is submitted as the custom code. Now I will go back to the Yandex Webmaster and I will do a verify by clicking on this check. So if everything goes fine, the meta tag is verified and my site is connected to Yandex web search engine. So as you can see, it has been verified, and this is like what plan. This is optional, so I'm going to skip this for now. As you can see, the meta tag is verified and you have the verification date and confirmation code. So this is so far you have just configured the server with your meta tag, but now you need to configure the Metrica so that it performs the analytics and captures the data. For that, you will have to go to another section called as Yandex Metrica. So as you can see here, you have the Yandex Metrica tags. So I'll click on that. So here I'm confirming the mail ID. So as you can see here, it is asking me to create the tag and link the tag to the site and then turn on crawling. So this is actually enabling your search engine to crawl your website and capture all the analytic data. So I'll go ahead and create the tag first. So again, it is asking me to log in. So I had paused the recording because it took some time to load. As you can see here, once I log in with my mail ID to the Metrica server, it is asking me to create the tag name. So I'll just give the tag name as money earners, and then I'll have to paste the website name. It is asking me to give the full domain address. So let me check if there's any additional information that it is asking for. So I don't think any additional address I would need. So only from the specified address. Alright, let it be unchecked because anything related to this has to be captured. So the website time zone has to be, I'll select that of India, and mail for notification, let me use the same name which I've logged into, and rest I'll keep it as it is. This is like automatic targets. Metrica will automatically create goals, and this one I don't need this detailed recording of the visitor, so I'll just give my consent and accept the terms and go ahead and create the counter. Counter is nothing but the metric meta tag that I've created. So once that is created, I will have to install it on the website. So as you can see here, so these are further configurations that it is asking for. Okay, so this is the counter tag that has been generated. As you can see here, I'm just copying the code. I will have to go back to the site and get this verified. So I'm just linking the tag. So it is asking for the tag ID. So I have to go back and get the tag ID. So now I have to copy this to the Wix configuration, just like how we did it. So it has to be either placed in the head section or in the body section. So I'll just name it as Yandex tag, and I want to load it once. Again, in the head section, I'll keep rest everything as is. So it's already named as Yandex tag. Now, as you can see here, it is asking us to install on this and then verify. So to get the verification, I have to go back to the site. So one disadvantage of adding the HTML code directly would be like if the code changes, I may have to re-update. So instead, I'll go back and use this tag code, which will keep the tag same even though there's an update. To do that, I'll just remove this code snippet. I'll go to the marketing integrations. I'll go to the Yandex Metrica and do a connect. And in that, I just need to get the code, which is the counter code, and then add it to the Yandex Metrica code. So for that, I'll just go to connect, add that code. Sorry, I just need to copy the code again. So this is the code. Paste it and then save. So once that is done, you're connected. So you will have to go back to this and do the linking. You have to link the tag so that you can get the updates over here as well. So add the tag. So the request is sent. Once this gets approved, you will have to turn on the crawling. As you can see here, the money earners tag is connected to the webmaster, and you can turn on the crawling. So I'm starting the turn on crawling feature. So here it's off, so I'll just enable it. So you will have to update. So I've just asked them to update to the same email ID, and I think that should be sufficient. So once this is enabled, and I'm linked already. So whatever crawling is happening, that will happen to this site. So whenever you want to check, you can go to your summary or crawl statistics once it starts gaining the data. So this is a very new site, so no, I don't think currently you would have any indexing or crawling that needs to be done. So once it starts collecting data, you would be able to see it under the statistics, and you can view other data as well. So this is how you configure Yandex. So if you find some value in this video and you want more videos of such sort, please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.